I wanted to start exercise, to lose weight and to walk pain-free. Hi, I'm Andy, currently 47 years old, and I'm an engineer. Health is important to me because I believe with good health is the starting point. With good health, I believe everything falls into place, be it in career, family life, etc. First and foremost, I started off with the objective of losing weight. I think when I started, I was about 95 kilos, and currently I'm about 76 kilos. Yeah. Currently I'm training with Joan. So initially we started off with the objective of losing weight. It is both a mixture of resistance training as well as incorporating cardio into the overall training program. So in my own free time, I would also come to Fitness Factory to do my own cardio. Joan actually drew up a nutrition plan for me, and I've actually followed the nutrition plan, and it actually worked well for me. So in the nutrition plan itself, it covers the amount of calories, the amount of fiber, protein, and coupled with the training, I think as an overall package, that was why I've seen the results that allowed me to achieve what I set out to. I think the unique point about Fitness Factory, first and foremost, it is very customized, and it is actually very reassuring to know that the trainers here are very knowledgeable, and they have the necessary experience to actually carry out the training safely as well as effectively to achieve the objectives set out in the first place.